Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Right now my hair is a little bit damp. I'm going to try to do half up, half down hairstyle. And whenever I put my hair up, I see more gray than normally. And so right now on these gloves is some of the Mofajang hair wax. And it's the grayish black. And so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So the gray still shows through, but that's okay. If you notice, this could be one hairstyle. And all I would need to do is take one of my hair clips and just put it right here. And I could wear my hair like this. But that's not what I'm looking for today. That's not what I'm going for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this stay here. I'm going to bring it forward to my front a little. I'm going to take this hair that's in the front, and it's going to be sort of like a flat twist. And I am purposely not pulling on my edges, not putting tension on my edges. And I can take you around to the back, where I'm just going to take that over. I'm going to use my goodie clip. Fasten that there. Make sure everything is where I want it to be. And this is my hairstyle for today. Now, if you want to take your hair off of your neck, you can also do that with this style. Because you can go ahead and do a flat twist going over. And you can put that up with some bobby pins. And all of your hair would be up in the back. But I'm going to leave the back of my hair down. And that's my style for today. And this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. And you all know that I love God because He's been so good to me. Have a great day.